overweight and obese diabetes patients given high doses of Novo Nordisk's drug liraglutide achieved 6% weight loss in a clinical trial, only slightly above the loss seen in those on the lower dose. The Danish group, the world's biggest insulin producer, said on Monday it was pleased with the results. But investors worried about where it left Novo's strategy for premium-priced high-dose obesity treatment, and shares in the company fell 4%. Novo Nordisk said subjects with type 2 diabetes achieved 6% weight loss with 3 mg of liraglutide in the advanced phase III trial compared to 5% in those on 1.8 mg. Patients given a placebo also lost 2% of their weight, so the placebo-adjusted loss for the higher dose was 4%, analysts noted. 5 and 6% is on the low side in efficacy, but it is important to note that it is enough to be approved by the FDA U.S. Food and Drug Administration, said Michael Fries-Jorgensen, senior analyst at Alm Brand. He said the share price reaction was harsh but reflected broader uncertainty about Novo's prospects, following an earlier setback for new diabetes drug Tresiba in the key U.S. market. We are pleased about the outcome of this trial and look forward to getting the results from the 2 remaining trials in the SCALE program, said Mads Krogsgaard Thomsen, Chief Science Officer at Novo. Søren Lontoft Hansen, an analyst at Sydbank, endorsed Thomsen's views, arguing the results were robust, but an analyst at a major bank, who asked not to be quoted before he published on the subject, said the results were only so-so. The fact there was just a marginal benefit from using the highest dose was a particular concern for the company's high-price strategy, he added. Novo wants to turn the injected drug, already on the market as a treatment for type 2 diabetes under the brand name Victoza, into a multi-billion-dollar a-year product for the seriously obese. While some in the industry are skeptical about using so-called GLP-1 diabetes drugs such as liraglutide to fight obesity, Thomsen believes the approach can offer cost-effective benefits. Glucagon-like peptide 1, or GLP-1, drugs work by stimulating insulin release when glucose levels become too high. Their ability to induce weight loss is an added benefit, since type 2 diabetes is linked to obesity. Novo Nordisk expects to complete the 2 remaining phase III trials in the so-called SCALE clinical trial program by mid-2013. When used in diabetes as Victoza, liraglutide is given at daily doses of either 1.2 or 1.8 mg. Novo, however, has been betting on a higher dose to produce greater weight loss in the obese. Novo Nordisk shares were down 4.2% at 8.45 meters, yet underperforming a 0.4% fall in a European drug sector index.